Do not trust atoms, because they're just making up everything.
Ionic radius, a fundamental concept in chemistry, provides insight into the size of ions and their arrangement within the periodic table. Let's unravel the mystery of ionic radius and explore its significance in understanding the periodic table. Ionic radius refers to the size of an ion measured from the nucleus to the outermost shell. It plays a crucial role in determining the overall size of ions and their chemical properties. Across a period, ionic radius generally decreases from left to right for cation and from right to left for anion. This trend is influenced by the increasing effective nuclear charge and the addition or removal of electrons within the group. Ionic radius tends to increase from top to bottom due to addition of electron shells resulting in larger ions. Several factors influence ionic radius, including effective nuclear charge, electron configuration, and electron-electron repulsion. For example, consider the trend in ionic radius for the alkaline earth metals magnesium, calcium, and strontium. As you move down the group, ionic radius increases due to the addition of electron shell resulting in larger cations. Ionic radius decreases as you move from left to right. For instance, consider the trend in ionic radius for the halogens chloride, chloride, and bromide. As you move across the periodic, ionic radius decreases due to the increasing effective nuclear charge, which pulls the outermost electrons closer to the nucleus, resulting in a smaller anions. In the intricate dance of ionic interaction, ionic radius serves as a crucial parameter influencing the size reactivity of ions across the periodic table.